Hello, you guys. This is Super Marty from Alphacool. I'm with Computex now.
Hey guys, we're at Alphacool. So Alphacool has all sorts of products on display here today. Okay, they've got the range from fans, mini reservoirs, slightly larger reservoirs, monoblocks, the upcoming Apex CPU block, and a whole new AIO. So these are Alphacool's new stealth fans. They come in 2000 to 3000 RPM variants. There are multiple colors available. You've got chrome gold, you've got hot pink, you've got purple, you even have NVIDIA green. There is also a maroon version, a blue version, and if you're into simpler colors, there is white, there is black, and RGB variants available too. As I told you, these are 2000 3000 RPM. These are going to be competing with, you know what's the brand they're going to be competing with, okay? And according to preliminary testings, they've already outperformed that particular brand. So what we have here is Alphacool's latest radiator. Okay, what I have in my hand here is a 240mm variant. There is also a 360 variant available. What's neat about the radiator is, as usual with Alphacool radiators, it's copper. The base is copper. But what stands out about this radiator is that RGB, no RGB. So if you want a really lighted up build that is quite flashy, you go for the RGB facing you. If you don't want it, what you can actually do is it's magnets. You can remove it. And replace it. So these interchangeable side panels allow you to actually remove or lighten up your rig even better. It's a neat feature by Alphacool. Also, by opening up, you actually get to see the inside of the radiator. The inside of the radiator looks similarly to one of their XT series radiators. I think it's an XT45 inside, but I do not see the... Okay, yeah, it's an XT45 inside. Okay, similar to the previous generation of the XT45, you've got two pots here. You've also got one drain pot at the bottom. So guys, if you all are wondering, this is Super Mario from Alphacool. He has given us an insightful tour of the whole booth today at Computex. Alphacool has plenty of products coming out soon. Some are really mind-blowing, some are really eye-catching. Things that I like are especially the new radiators and the upcoming AIO. One thing that really caught my attention is the Supernova that you've seen earlier. Okay, it's a 1260 size radiator. It can cool the country.
So if you guys need something else, please let me know. Your boy, the Super Marty here from Alphacool. Just slide me an email. You can write everything what you want with different questions, and I'll get you go. I help you guys.
Thank you all, and see you all in the next one.